When it comes to finding the best PEB designers in BTM Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a name that stands out. With their expertise and experience in the field of pre-engineered building, PEB, design, SCON Design has established a strong reputation for delivering top-notch designs that meet the unique requirements of their clients. As one of the leading PEB designers in the industry, SCON Design has successfully completed numerous projects in BTM Layout and other parts of Bangalore, making them a trusted name in the field. What sets SCON Design apart from other PEB designers is their commitment to delivering innovative and sustainable designs. They understand the importance of designing structures that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and environmentally friendly. With a team of highly skilled and experienced designers, SCON Design ensures that every project they undertake is designed to perfection, taking into consideration factors such as structural stability, energy efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. The expertise of SCON Design extends beyond just PEB design. They offer a comprehensive range of services that cover every aspect of the design process, from concept development to detailed engineering and construction supervision. In addition to their technical expertise, SCON Design also places a strong emphasis on project management and timely delivery. In conclusion, when it comes to finding the best PEB designers in BTM Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a name that stands out. With their expertise in PEB design, commitment to innovation and sustainability, comprehensive range of services, customer-centric approach, and project management skills, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. Whether it is a small-scale industrial building or a large commercial complex, SCON Design has the capabilities to deliver top-notch designs that meet the unique requirements of their clients. When it comes to finding the best PEB designers in BTM Layout, Bangalore, one name that stands out is SCON Design India Private Limited. With their expertise in the field of pre-engineered building, PEB, design, SCON Design has established itself as a leading player in the industry. Their commitment to delivering innovative and sustainable design solutions has earned them the reputation of being the best in the business. SCON Design India Private Ltd has a team of highly skilled and experienced designers who are dedicated to providing top-notch PEB design services. They understand the unique requirements of each project and work closely with their clients to develop customized designs that meet their specific needs. Their attention to detail and emphasis on quality ensure that every project they undertake is executed to perfection. One of the key factors that sets SCON Design apart from their competitors is their ability to deliver projects within the stipulated time frame. They understand the importance of time